Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and first of all, a massive thank you for 150 subscribers. We're pushing upwards in terms of numbers, so if you are new here, hit subscribe, hit like, and let's get into the video. So today we're actually going to be doing a portfolio update in terms of what my portfolio looks like as a 25-year-old. Now, I've been investing for around 3 years, so you're going to be able to see some of the stocks that I hold and some of the reasons to why I hold them as well. But just before we do that, I do want to say I've got a great announcement which is fantastic for all of us as a community. As you can see on screen, I've been working on my Discord server, and this is going to be a fantastic place for us to get involved and talk about stocks. Inside of there, there's actually some bots that post daily charts, updates on the market, so it's a great tool and it's a great place for us to talk as a community, so get involved there. So I'm going to put an animation on screen for you to see. At the moment, I currently have around £8,000 in my trading 212 account. I recently withdrew around £3,000 into my bank account following a successful run in 3x long MicroStrategy. I also have around £1,000 in Coinbase, which is purely Solana. I made quite a bit of profit on Bitcoin in a run up to the current bull market that we're in. So I bought maybe around about 30k and I sold it around about 65k, so I made double money, which is pretty good, but I no longer hold Bitcoin, just Solana in my Coinbase account. I also have around £2,000 in Block Asset, which is a crypto NFT project, and I also have around £500 in my Phantom wallet, which holds Solana. So inside my portfolio I have around £8,422, 7,160 of which is invested, and around 1,300 sitting in free funds, which is going to get diversified into an S&P 500. But if we look at this chart right here, we can actually see I've been down quite significantly in my portfolio, but just from holding stocks and changing a few things about, I've been able to drop some profits. If we look at the 1 month, we can actually see that I was up £1,299 just in the last week or so, but obviously some things have taken a dip, but we peaked around about £1,798 return, which is not bad considering how much I've got invested just now. Let's take a quick look at the pies. So these are the pies that I currently have. Bitcoin pie, this was for Bitcoin focused stocks. You can see some of the holdings that I actually have in here: Riot Platforms, Marathon Digital Holdings, and Argo Blockchain. These are the stocks that were inside of this pie. That dropped down quite significantly, but we're not focused on that at the moment. Dividend growth, so this is focused around companies that have great opportunities for dividends, and I've invested a wee bit of money in here and I get paid a little bit of dividends every couple of months, which is not bad. Growth one, so this is actually a pie that I had all of tech stocks inside of, but essentially what happened with this one, I sold a lot of that to buy MicroStrategy because I seen that one was up on the rise. S&P 500, so inside of here we've got around £1,961 invested, so that's the sort of situation on the pie front. So a couple of stocks to look at. Marathon Digital Holdings for starters. I've been holding this since around about April 2020 and it's currently at average price $30, so I'm down £100 there. MicroStrategy, I bought this around 3 weeks ago. It's trading around about 1,700 and the average price is $1,289. And finally, Riot Platforms. Let's have a quick look at this one. So Riot Platforms is around about £407 negative and its average price is around about $30. Anyway guys, that is actually going to be it for this video. I just wanted to do a really quick portfolio update so you could see everything that I'm currently holding, get an understanding to why I'm holding them, and listen, we're going to do more of these every single week to keep you updated with my current portfolio. But you should definitely join the Discord down below. Do not forget to do so. There's a link there, and also if you want to sign up for Trading 212, there's a link down below in the description as well, and you can become an investor like me. That is going to be it for this video. Take care and have a great weekend.